The following properties of logarithms are used in expanding logarithmic expressions. If m and n are positive, b is greater than 0, and b is not equal to 1, then the log of mn to base b, or the log of m times n to base b, is equal to the log of m to base b plus the log of n to base b. In multiplication, we add the logarithms. Next, the log of m over n to base b, or the log of m divided by n to base b, is equal to the log of m to base b minus the log of n to base b. In division, we subtract the logarithms. We subtract the log of the denominator from the log of the numerator. Next, the log of n raised to r to base b is equal to r log of n to base b. If n is raised to a power, then the log of n to base b is multiplied by that power. Express the following logarithms in expanded form. These are the laws of logarithms for reference. Number 1, the log of xy to base 3, or the log of x times y to base 3. This is multiplication, so this is addition of logs. We are going to apply the first property. This is equal to the log of x to base 3 plus the log of y to base 3. Number 2, the log of x over 7, or the log of x divided by 7 to base 5. This is division. So we are going to subtract the log of the denominator from the log of the numerator. We are going to apply the second property. This is equal to the log of x to base 5 minus the log of 7 to base 5. Number 3, the log of x raised to the exponent of 4 to base 5. This is raised to an exponent of 4, so we are going to apply the third property. So this is now equal to 4 log of x to base 5. Number 4, log of 5x squared y raised to the exponent of 4 to base 3. We are going to apply the first property and then the third property, because this is the multiplication, and then x is raised to an exponent of 2 and y is raised to an exponent of 4. So this is now equal to log of 5 to base 3 plus log of x squared to base 3 plus log of y raised to the exponent of 4 to base 3. After applying the first property, we apply the third property. This is now equal to log of 5 to base 3 plus 2 log of x to base 3 plus 4 log of y to base 3. Example number 5. These are the properties of logarithms for reference. So, number 5, the log of 4xy squared divided by z cubed to base 9. So here we are going to apply the second property. That is, we are going to subtract the logarithms, and then we are going to apply the third property. So this is now equal to the log of 2 squared to base 9. 4 can be written as 2 squared because 2 squared is equal to 4. And then plus the log of x to base 9 plus the log of y squared to base 9. And then minus the log of z cubed to base 9. And then apply the third property. So this is now equal to 2 log of 2 to base 9 plus the log of x to base 9 plus 2 log of y to base 9 minus 3 log of z to base 9. Number 6. The log of square root of 5x to base 6. Now this can be written as the log of 5x raised to the exponent 1/2 to base 6. So we are going to apply the third property and then apply the first property. So this is now equal to 1/2 log of 5x to base 6. 5x means 5 times x, so this is multiplication. So we are going to apply the first property. This is now equal to 1/2 times the log of 5 to base 6 plus the log of x to base 6. This can be written as the log of 5 to base 6 over 2 plus the log of x to base 6 over 2. What we did was to distribute 1/2 to log of 5 to base 6 and then log of x to base 6. So 1/2 times the log of 5 to base 6, this is equal to log of 5 to base 6 over 2. And then 1/2 times the log of x to base 6, this is equal to log of x to base 6 over 2. Number 7. These are the properties of logarithms for reference. So number 7, the log of the square root of x raised to the exponent of 4 over y raised to the exponent of 6 to base 3. This can be written as the log of x raised to the exponent of 4 over y raised to the exponent of 6 raised to 1/2 to base 3. We are going to apply the third property. So this is now equal to 1/2 log of x raised to the exponent of 4 over y raised to the exponent of 6 to base 3. And then we are going to apply the second property because this is the division, so this is the subtraction of logs. So we subtract the log of the denominator from the log of the numerator. So this is now equal to 1/2 times the log of x raised to the exponent of 4 to base 3 minus the log of y raised to the exponent of 6 to base 3. Then we are going to apply the third property again. So this is now equal to 1/2 times the quantity 4 log of x to base 3 minus 6 log of y to base 3. And then we apply the distributive property of multiplication. This is now equal to 2 log of x to base 3 minus 3 log of y to base 3.